Okay, let's look at a concept in biology called coevolution. Coevolution happens when two organisms or species change over time in a way that means they need each other to live. In other words, the actions carried out by one species to guarantee its survival aid the survival of another species at the same time. So, coevolution is a mutualistic relationship. You get it? Now, let me give you two examples of coevolution. The first example of coevolution can be found in the relationship between honeybirds and the plants that rely on honeybirds to pollinate them. These plants have a nectar the birds like. The plants have also developed a flower that is constructed in a way that causes them to rub against the honeybird's beak as it drinks the nectar. So, as the honeybird drinks the nectar, pollen from the flower falls on the honeybird's beak and head. Now, when the honeybird moves to the next flower, pollen from the first plant rubs off on the flower of the second. When this happens, pollination occurs. So, this is a classic example of coevolution and a perfect example of a mutualistic relationship. The plants provide nectar as food for the honeybirds, and honeybirds help the plants to pollinate. Okay, now another example of coevolution can be found in acacia ants and acacia trees. The trees have large trunks that acacia ants live in, and the tree produces sap that the ants eat. Acacia ants also eat insects that feed on the acacia tree, so acacia ants are protecting acacia trees from being attacked by other insects.